Most people in America don't get rich by working harder. They build systems. In this video, I'll show you how Americans go from zero to $100,000 income using passive income systems in 2026. No hype, no fake gurus, just how money really works in the United States. Stay till the end, because one system here changes everything. 1. Why jobs don't create wealth. In America, a job is only a starting point. Rich Americans never depend on one salary. Why? Because jobs pay once. Systems pay again and again and again. That's why smart Americans focus on assets, ownership, cash flow systems, not just working hours. 2. What passive income really means in USA. Passive income doesn't mean doing nothing. It means you work once and get paid many times. In the USA, the most common systems are dividend stocks, real estate rentals, online businesses, digital assets, automated services. These systems run even while you sleep. 3. The $0 $100,000 system. Here's the American formula. Step 1. Active income job or skill. Step 2. Save and invest into income-producing assets. Step 3. Reinvest profits again and again. This creates compound income. Example, $500 invested monthly, earning 10%, 4 years. That's how Americans hit six-figure income without working more hours. Part 4. Why Americans love systems. Americans don't ask, how much do I earn? They ask, how many systems pay me? That mindset shift changes everything. One system tucks security. Multiple systems tucks freedom. 5. What you should do next. If you're a beginner, start small. Learn one system. Stay consistent. Don't chase shortcuts. Build systems. That's how America creates wealth. If you want more USA-based income strategies, subscribe.